Welcome back to 4K Tech. In this video, we'll show you how to factory reset your iPhone 11 Pro Max. So let's get started. Go into Settings, click General, scroll down to the bottom and click Transfer or Reset iPhone. And here you have the choice to reset or erase all content and settings. Since I want to erase everything, I'll click the bottom button. Now I'll click Continue and enter my passcode for this iPhone. Here you have a choice. You can either back up your phone or skip the backup. This screen will appear and it is your last chance to stop resetting your iPhone. But if you want to continue, press Erase iPhone. When the Apple icon appears, the phone will begin to reset. The screen will go black, and another Apple icon will appear. You'll know when your phone is fully reset when words of welcome appear.